Okay, just watching a video where this asshole was replying to a bunch of videos he saw about how women being complete bitches, saying men have done nothing for the world. Both in the wrong, clearly. But I want to check a couple things on both sides. First, yeah, the reason the world is shit is because men have been in power forever. We put women in power and the world's still shit. We can finally say the world is shit, period. But until we let them take the reins and see what happens, it's our fault. But to say there's nothing good that we've done, when most of the shitty, dangerous, life threatening jobs are 90% men, mining, deep sea fishing, the jobs that when you sign up, there's an 80% chance you're not going home. Yeah. And like I've just said, most of uh, the world men have controlled. We've done shitty jobs, but the fact that we've controlled shit means that every law, every thing that has helped has been because a guy put pen to paper. So even though we've passed laws that are shit towards everybody, and we've started wars that were shit, we've also been in wars that saved the planet from pure evil. We've made every law that has helped. So good with the bad. World is shit right now, so obviously mostly bad, but good with the bad. But it's not even that I have a problem with. It's the end of the video. He was responding to some sex worker saying blah blah blah. Guy called her a hooker, and the chick reporting on the video said, "How dare he call her a hooker? Blah blah blah. Sex worker is real work, which it is." But here's the thing: the sex worker had no problem with the word hooker. She copped to it. She was. She had a problem with every other word he said about her after that, but the actual word hooker, she had no problem with because that's what she was. So here's my point: if someone in the industry of someone that does something or that is something doesn't think what you say is a bad word, and someone not in the industry or not attached to whatever it is says it is, isn't that you speaking for over somebody? You saying no, I don't care if it's towards you. I know more than you. I'm better than you, so I can tell you that's a bad word. This goes for a lot of shit. Now, obviously, there are some big words that can never be uttered, and if you say them, you're a piece of shit. That should get the shit kicked out of you. There are those certain words, but there are also other words like hooker that, if the person you say them towards that they qualify for says, yeah, that's just a definition, then it is just a definition. Now, before you say it, of course the dude's defending sex workers. He's probably used them. I ain't gonna deny it. 3 times in my life. Not counting the women I've actually known that were in certain industries that I hooked up with and didn't pay for. But yeah, I've paid for it a couple occasions. Ain't gonna deny it. Like I said, sex work was real work. It was business. But the fact that you just thought, of course he's going to say that he's used it, just proves you look down on them because you didn't just see it as business. You saw it as a pathetic dude having to pay for it. This video went 3 different ways, but you get my point.